I'm HANDerson, fretting hand specialist, built through structure, not shortcuts. People ask how I play like this. It didn't start with solos. It started with single chords, finger control, transitions. One chord at a time, one combination at a time. I didn't learn to play by jumping into songs. I trained the movements first, finger by finger, shape by shape. That's what gave me control, confidence, fluency. If you want to play songs cleanly, start here. Train your chords, build your transitions, one combination at a time. That's what ChordLinks is for.